Okay guys, so this is the living room. We're just going to go ahead and take all the wallpapers off, and tomorrow someone's going to do the walling for us. Okay, so now we've took off all the wallpaper in the living room. And we've took off all the cupboards in the kitchen as well. And now we're going to unpack everything that we've just bought from B&Q. And these are all of the floorings, the wood, the paint. We're going to unpack all of these and get rid of the carpet that we've got inside. side, we've just put some wallpaper on there and then painted over it. The wall was badly damaged. We've painted here and the side, and the ceiling is well white, but we've left this side to wallpaper it and paint all the doors. There's still one more layer left on there. So as you can see, we've painted where the stairs are, and all of this is going to be mirrors, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. I'm going to be doing that myself. We've taken the wallpaper off for this. It was like 3 or 4 layers of wallpaper. One side we're going to be doing paint, and the other 3 sides we're going to be doing wallpaper, because to be honest the walls are very badly damaged, like I said, because it was like 3 or 4 layers. And let's go to the kids' bedroom. We've done 2 walls of wallpaper, and I'm going to put all the descriptions down below where I got all these things from. And it's this design. It's like those scratch ones are all glitter, and the rest is grey paint, and this is going to be painted on this side as well. And we're going to be doing the tiles for the bathroom. I'll show you guys that later as well. But for these we're going to leave this like this, but we're going to take these handles and stuff off and leave the sink there. And the carpet needs a good clean, like proper clean. and I'm thinking of getting the carpet cleaner as my partner's just spilled paint over there. So yeah, now let's go downstairs. And we've just done the flooring for this little corner and under the stairs. And we've got the living room left, as you can see. Join in.
Lasci.
On this side and this side, as this side was very badly damaged too, and we've done this side as well. Also, we've done the kitchen and we've bought wallpaper for the kitchen, so it's not normal wallpaper. You can take the grease off and wipe it as well.